Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying Scorpio and firmware is V1. 2 or later, and that wireless charging is enabled in settings. This unlocks coil calibration. Next, remove metal or magnetic accessories and keep case thickness under 3 mm to avoid interference. Then plug the wireless pad into a 5 to 20W USB-C PD source and place the pad on a flat, stable surface. Once done, place Scorpio N with its back centered over the pad so the coils align. You should see the charging LED blink within 2 seconds. Once the phone is on the pad, focus on precise alignment. Center the Scorpio N over the pad's coil. If your pad has alignment guides or a magnet ring, use them to lock position. Good alignment improves efficiency and reduces heat. Next, open the wireless charging menu and choose standard, fast, or trickle mode depending on battery level and temperature. Make sure to monitor temperature. If it rises above 45 degrees C, you should reduce power or switch to trickle to protect battery health and maintain safety. To complete the process, confirm the on-screen charging rate and percentage. Expect small variance of about plus or minus 5% between meters. If charging is slow, remove the case, recenter the phone, and swap to a PD-rated USB-C cable. That often fixes power delivery bottlenecks. If the Scorpio N fails to charge, reboot the device, try a different wireless pad to isolate hardware, and confirm firmware is current. One key troubleshooting tip. Persistent coil misalignment errors usually mean the pad or phone coil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.